What is example? He put off his coat. It's wrong. It's incorrect. He put off his coat is correct. Because what do you mean by double F? Okay, oh, okay. After if it has double F, it means separation. He put off his coat. Okay, he separated his coat. He died of cancer. It's wrong. He died of cancer. So, what is single F? It denotes cause, origin, quality, and possession. Okay. Next one. Beside means by the side of, while besides means in addition to. Very, very important. Okay, dear students. Beside. What do you mean by beside? By the side of. I sat beside my mother. Okay. What do you mean by besides? What if s is added to beside? It is besides, right? Besides means in addition to. I know Tamil besides English, right? In addition to Tamil, I also know English. Okay. I think during your first year itself, I would have taught this. Besides. Am I right? You're learning it for 2 years. Beside means by the side of, while besides means in addition to. என் பக்கத்துல உட்கார்ந்துருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லும் போது she sat beside me. ஓகே காஃபி கூட இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் சுகரும் ஆட் பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னா beside milk add add milk besides sugar, right? So what is beside and besides? Beside means by the side of, while besides means in addition to. Example, he sat besides the chair. No, he sat beside the chair. Okay, next one. Between is used for only two things or persons, while among is used for more than two. This also you learned it in the first year. Between, we have to talk, we have to use this preposition between when we talk of only two things or two persons. Okay, select between these two. Rendle edhadhu one select பண்ணுங்க, right? So between can be used only for two things or two persons. When you talk about two things or two persons, while among is used for more than two. Understood? Example, you have to choose among tea and coffee. It is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because here they are talking about two things. What are they? Tea and coffee. So we have to use we must use the preposition between, not among. Why we should not use among? Because among is the preposition. We have to use it for more than two things or two persons. So what is the right answer? You have to choose between tea and coffee. Understood, students? Jenny, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Where we have to use among, for example, if they are using milkshake or any other more than two, right? If they're talking about tea, coffee, snacks, and cool drinks, then you can say you have to choose among tea, coffee, milk, and snacks. Okay. If they are talking about only two things, you have to use between. Best example, you can say for among the students were discussing among themselves. Students means more than two, right? Your class has got 61, right? So you can say students were talking among themselves. Next one, above and below, merely denotes position, while over and under also carry a sense of covering or movement. What is the difference between above and below? They are saying the bird flew above the lake. It's incorrect. The bird flew over the lake is the correct sense. Okay. See, above means, it also has the same, when we talk about the same concept, when you talk about over and under. Okay. So above and below merely denotes position, while over and under also carry a sense of covering or movement. Okay. So what is over and under? Covering or some movement is there. There is no touch or there is nothing. So that is known as the above and below difference. No, the bird flew above the lake. The bird flew over the lake. What is the difference? over the lake means there is no contact. You know, there was a movement. In that case, we have to say over. The bird flew over the lake. A minor difference. Next one, during is used when we are talking about the time within which something happens, for it's used when we are talking about how long something lasts. And Jennifer, could you please read this 14th point?
Okay, ma'am. During is used when we are talking about the time within which something happens. For is used when we are talking about how long something lasts.
Ah, very good. So, what is the
There
difference
were
between during and for? During, we are talking about time within. What are you doing during my class? என் கிளாஸ்ல நீ என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருந்த அந்த டைம்ல நீ என்ன பண்ண? Okay, so what is during? The time within. Okay, and for is used when we are talking about how long something lasts. Okay, example they have given, there are few incidents of irregularity for the emergency year. It is incorrect. There were few incidents of irregularity during the emergency years. Emergency years, right? அந்த emergency yearல அந்த டைம்ல என்ன நடந்தது? Few incidents of irregularity. So அந்த டைம்ல அந்த particular டைம்ல என்ன நடந்ததுன்னு சொல்லும்போது we have to use being. Okay, next one, there are some nouns that indicate can we continue, Jenny? 15th point.
okay, ma'am. There are some nouns that indicate length, measure, money, weight, or number. When they are preceded by a numeral, they remain unchanged in form.
Okay, there are some nouns that indicate. Okay, what is the noun? Name of a place, persons. Here also, nouns that indicates length, measure, money, weight, or number. When they are preceded by a numeral, they remain unchanged. What do they try to say? When you, okay, example, if you see the example, you'll understand. Foot, meter, pair, score, dozen, head, year, 100, 1,000, million. Okay, these are the nouns, which indicates length, measure, money, weight, and number. So what do they try to say? When you use numbers in front of these, it remain unchanged. Okay. Example, first one is incorrect. It is a 3 years degree course. It is wrong. நிறைய பேர் என்ன நினைச்சிடும், 3 வருஷங்கள் அப்படின்னு நினைச்சிட்டு என்ன பண்ணிடுவோம், இயர்ஸ் அப்படின்னு போடுவோம். அப்படி போடக்கூடாது. Right? That is wrong. It is a 3 year degree course. Right? It is a 3 year degree course. So we are not using years, the plural. Year, okay? Year is the time. 3, for example, 2 kgs. No, 2 kg. I bought a 2 kg. I bought 2 kg of rice, right? Then I walked 2 kilometer, right? I walked 2 kilometers today, not meters, right? Then foot, I walked 2 foot. Then pair, I bought 2 pair of dresses, right? I have 200 rupees, right? Then I walked 1,000 miles, 2,000 mile. Okay, I walked 2,000 mile. Okay, so when you use numbers in front of these nouns, you should not use plural form. Very best example, BA Tamil Literature is a 3 year degree course. We cannot say 3 years degree course. It is 3 year, 3 வருட பட்டப்படிப்பு, right? Next, Bhuvana, are you here? Jennifer, whether Bhuvana is here?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhuvana, can you read 16th point?
Okay, ma'am. Some nouns are always used in a
Plural
form and always take a plural verb. Tourist, scissors, spectacles, stockings, swords, muscles, goods, arms, premistic things, annals, satyrs, etc.
Very good, very
Example.
good, very good, very good. So, student, these are some basic things that you have to memorize, or how can we say that? These are some rules, right? So, some nouns are always used in a plural form and always take plural verb. Example, trousers. Where are my trousers? You cannot say, where is my trousers? Scissors. We cannot say trouser. We have to say trousers. These are all plural. It always has plural forms. So it always take plural verb. Okay, trousers, scissors, spectacles, stockings, shorts, missiles, goods, arms, premises, tidings, annals, chattels. These are all the plural forms. Okay, it always can come. It always has plural verbs. Example: where is my trouser? It is wrong. Where are my trousers? Bring. Okay, where are my scissors? Where are my spectacles? Okay, where are those shorts? Okay, missiles, goods, arms. So these plural forms, it takes plural verbs. Okay, 17th one. Bhuvana, continue. 17th one.
A pronoun must agree with its an- antecedents
Antecedent.
antecedents in person, number, and gender.
Example:
Example.
every man must bring his luggage. All students must do their homework. Each of the girl must carry her own bag. Okay, so what is the meaning here? Um, with this antecedent in person, number, and gender. So if it is a person, a number, and gender, a pronoun. So his is a pronoun, there is a pronoun, her is a pronoun. See, each of the girls must carry her own bag, not carry their own bag. Girls, each of the girls, whenever there is each, we have to use singular. Okay, not their. So that is important. The pronoun one must be followed by once. When they use one, we have to use once. One must finish his task on time. No, it's wrong. Why it is wrong? We have used his. So what is the correct form? One must finish one's task on time. Okay. Then whose is used for living persons and which for lifeless objects. Students, why I am taking this again and again? Because they will ask lots of questions from this particular part. Okay. So listen it very carefully. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Whose is used for living persons, which is lifeless object. It is very common, basic thing, right? Which photograph is living here? It's wrong. Whose photograph is living there? யாரோட புகைப்படம். Okay. So use of less and fewer. Yes, yes. I remember that I have already completed this. So I will go fast. So less denotes quantity, fewer denotes number. No less than 50% where. No fewer than 50% where is correct. Not less than. Yeah, அப்படின்னா lessங்கிறது it talks about quantity. So இதுல வந்து we are talking about person. Person is a number. எண்ணக்கூடியது. Okay, we can count. So we need not use no less. We have to use no fewer than 50% where. Students, listen carefully. Very important part. One of always takes a plural noun after it. It is one of இது எல்லாம் maximum even now I have noticed maybe by mistake many go wrong. It is one of the most important day in my life. Wrong. It's incorrect. The right answer is it is one of the most important days in my life. Okay. So days. One of the most important days in my life is correct. Use of not எதனால days use பண்றோம்? எப்பவுமே one of should be followed by plural. It is one of my most important day. She is my best friends. She is one of my best friends. I have lots of friends, but she is one of my best friends. Use of not only and but also examines the sentences given below. Whenever you use not only but also should be used. Not only he not only comes for swimming but also for coaching the learners. It's incorrect. He comes not only for swimming but also for coaching the learners. Adverb as is not used with verbs like appointed, elected, consider, called, but it is used with regard. Okay. Example, he was elected as president of our society. It is incorrect. We have to say He was elected president of our society. So whenever we use appointed, elected, consider, called, okay, we should not use as. For example, first they have given he was elected as president. No, he was elected president of our society. I regard Ramesh my friend. No, I regard Ramesh as my friend. Here we have to use, whenever we use regard, we have to use as. Okay, whenever we use regard, we have to use as. Whenever we use appointed, elected, consider, called, we should not use what? As. Keep in mind, appointed, elected, consider, called, don't use as. He is called as Shakespeare. No, he is called Shakespeare. Right? Next one. The case of noun or pronoun presiding or succeeding the verb to be should be the same example. It is him who came to see us. No, it is he who came to see us. It is me who caught the thief. It is incorrect. It is I who caught the thief. Neither is followed by nor, not by or. It is very common thing, right? For neither when did should be followed by nor or varadu. Yeah, either or, neither nor. So the phone neither went nor worked properly. Okay, right. So I think it is enough for today. All of you, have you all completed the book back exercises? Students, have you all completed the book back exercises for this correction of sentences?
Yes, ma'am.
See, you all know the secret of your success. The secret of your success is being strong in grammar part. Why? Because comparing to writing essays, when you go for a grammar one word answers, your time is also saved and your marks are also good. You could score good marks. So focus more on grammar. Okay, grammar, it will help you a lot if you understand, and you have to work on it. You have to go through it again and again. If you have any clarification, first discuss among your friends, and when you couldn't rectify the problems, you just ask me at any time. I'll help you out. Okay, so don't waste this precious time. Corona time is a blessing for us, I feel. At home you're learning. Okay, teacher coming to your home and you're sitting at home and learn properly. Don't miss this opportunity. Okay, I